So car companies are in $1 billion software war and everyone's losing. Well, the the issue that's happening with car manufacturers here, and I know something about this because I worked with some of the software that went into the headsets in the there's particularly recent years in some of the Jag Land Rover cars. I helped out with some of that software there, so I know a little bit about this. So Ford tried to come out with some EV cars, and they're not having much success with it. A lot of automakers are not having much success with this. What's happened with car manufacturers is they have basically made everything electronic and software based, and they thought it was going to make their lives easier, and they had nothing but problems. Then Tesla comes along and they can prove that they have proven that there is some benefit to software based vehicles, including, as this article brings out, over the air updates. So, one of the things this article brings out is an over the air update, for example, that did something with, I want to say the airbag or maybe brakes, something like that. I can't remember. There was something, yeah, ABS, anti-lock braking system. And so there was an over the air update, and boom, they could update that process. And so other car manufacturers felt like Tesla proved a point, and so they're leaning more towards this. This is exactly the same principle as React opening the door to the most idiotic types of paradigms and abstractions that are bleeding into lower level types of things that should never have existed. And I would argue this is the same thing. And here's why. Because you have the exact same people with the exact same mindset. There is a general mindset that happens, or that exists, I should say, with people who operate and make decisions around this kind of idiocy, where software gives them some false sense of, I haven't been able to articulate the correct words yet, I'm still trying to figure it out. But you'll notice right here, let me direct your attention to, all the stupid ads. Here, right here. Let me get rid of this. Dear Lord, this. What's this? What's this? We see this all the time. Not just in cars, we see it in web. In web, this happens a lot. Software, this happens a lot, etc., etc. It's the ship it bro mentality. That's what this is. This is the ship it bro mentality, but for your car.